This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Alicia Ford. Amazing opportunity, premium location for Salem Woods, one of the larger floor plans tucked away on a quiet cul-de-sac. This home features 5 generously sized bedrooms and 3 full-size bathrooms. This home is so accommodating from the first-time family to multi-generational living. Come see the potential. Home boasts a formal living room/office directly off the entryway. Large den with wood-burning fireplace. Formal dining great for entertaining. Traditional eat-in kitchen. For more information, review the details below.